unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
If your TV won't turn on, first check if the power cord is securely plugged into the wall outlet and the TV. If it is, try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out a possible issue with the outlet. Perform a soft reset by unplugging the TV for about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If your TV has a power indicator light, ensure it's on, which signals the TV is receiving power. If these steps don't work, consult the TV's manual for specific troubleshooting tips or contact the manufacturer for assistance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.